At Tradejini, we listen to what our client asks for, and one of the most common questions that we get is how do we start using the API? So in this video, let's go step by step on how to generate your access token and get authenticated directly from the API docs. So log into Tradejini developer portal with your Tradejini account, copy your API key. Go to CubePlus API gateway docs. Click on individual token service, enter your password, type TOTP, go to authorization. Now add your credential inside authorization, type exactly this, bare a space, your API key. Then click try. Here you can generate an access token. You will now receive an access token, copy that token and go to authentication. For authentication, paste your API key and your access token. But make sure there is a semicolon between them. Click update. You are now successfully authenticated into your API docs. You can start accessing all the API endpoints on the left panel. I'm gonna show you a small demo. Let's place an order now. Fill the required field, and just like that, order is placed. Now we will fetch an interval data, again fill the required fields in the format given in the doc, and you will get historical candle data of the asset you have selected. And trust me, this is just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll go deeper look at how we actually use the API with Python and build our own application. Stay tuned, be with Tradejini.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.